Been a little bit busy here as we have Tropical Storm Debby in southeast Georgia. There's a look over downtown Dublin. I've been kind of looking that way all day. It'll look that way tonight and tomorrow, mainly south and east with this stuff, any rain or breeze that we have out there tonight or tomorrow. So that is where our weather impact alert day comes in. We have another one of these tomorrow. Now, just to say right off the top, for the vast majority of us, this does not apply. This is for our eastern and southeastern counties, and that's what you need to know. If you're the farther south and east you are, the better chance of having some ongoing rain and maybe a breeze. Still not a ton. I mean, so far our rainfall totals I showed you earlier, we're doing 2–3.5 inches, something like that in some of our southeastern counties. But it's once you get a little bit farther east, just out of our area, that's where they've had bigger problems. So the flood watch is out just in case. I'm showing you this again in case you heard some of those dings in our studio earlier. That was the National Weather Service taking out some counties here from the tropical storm warning. So now we just have Telfair, Wheeler, and Trutland still in play with that. And that just means some gusty winds, really, tonight and tomorrow if we see anything like that. All right, so there's the big picture, the swirl going on down here. That's the top. This is the northwestern quadrant of the tropical storm. So if you're out and about, I had a couple people talk to me this afternoon and say, man, the clouds are going in different directions. The storm's going this way, they're going that way. Well, if you're up on the top side of this and you're watching the clouds go toward the south and west, that just makes sense. The whole thing is a counterclockwise donut just spinning here. So even though the storm is trying to slowly move that way. Light rain going on anywhere from Wilkinson County, Washington County seeing some light stuff. Johnson County, same thing. Now there is a polygon here, this green one, that shows a flash flood warning in play for Lawrence County, Johnson, and Trutland. It's these pockets of yellow we've seen going through the day today that have been putting down some pretty steady rain, and we've already started to pile up some numbers. Telfair, Wheeler, seeing the same kind of thing. Flood warning for Wheeler there. There's the big picture. As we roll on down, notice your storms. Anything that would maybe rotate, I've seen a couple of tornado warnings over on this side. That's on the east side of the storm. That's the dirty side of the storm we talk about. We are on the clean side, so we are not expecting severe weather out of this, and neither is the National Weather Service. They have it painted up the Georgia and Carolina coast here with any sort of severe look. All right, so let's take a look at Future View. This is a new run that came out at 10 o'clock, and what it's going to show is more of the same kind of thing. Here's the timeline behind me. Notice as we get into tomorrow morning, just kind of grazing our eastern and southeastern counties. Lunchtime tomorrow, again, it could move a little bit one way or the other, but you get the idea. But notice these areas. These are the spots that are really getting pounded over and over with just rain on top of rain. This is going to be tomorrow night around this time. Now, this model has changed some. Earlier, it was starting to really bow this thing back this way as we started to head toward Thursday. Now it's starting to leave it more out over the ocean and into the Carolina coastline as we go Thursday on into Friday, which is a little bit more in step with what the Euro model is showing. I know this looks like a lot on the map here, but the big blue blob, that's the European model. Green with yellow, that's the GFS. I kind of marked where both of them are showing the storm to be by Thursday morning, and notice how they go in different directions like this. So now you're seeing the Euro go up into the Carolinas, which the graph is now doing, and the National Hurricane Center track actually takes it up this way. It's this GFS out to lunch doing its own thing here, showing the thing coming back around Thursday, Friday, and raining itself out. So right now you kind of want to lean more toward what most of the models are showing, and that is that it would probably hang around off the Carolina coast and then kind of get away, which means we would be done with it tomorrow night. But we'll watch and see how the models look tomorrow. But look at the rainfall projections still. Once you get just outside of our area and barely grazing our eastern counties there. So this is on top of areas that have already seen some of them over 8–9 inches of rain. So the 7-day goes like this. Another weather impact alert. Again, not for the majority of us at all. It is for our eastern and southeastern counties. And then we try to clear it out as we go into Wednesday, a hot day coming in. And then iffy on rain potential Thursday, Friday, depends on if it comes back this way or goes into the Carolinas.